folks. Up the Gups tidbits. Gups tidbits. Can anyone say that right or not? Tidbits. Right. So I bought this guy to America to install a TV in someone else's bus. You won't install one in mine, will you?
$85 an hour.
85 an hour.
US dollars.
Oh, that's double. That's double it makes in Australia.
What are you doing?
And this guy here won't pay for a cent of it. Right? So
We're actually doing Gups bits, tits.
This is my tidbit, all right? This is his tidbit, and sit tidbit.
Are we still on these stupid videos?
We're going to put it in, not in. Ian's going to put a new TV up here for Kyle. Kyle just come from Walmart. No, Walmart. Same thing, Walmart, mate. And bought. How did you like actually part with money to buy that TV? I don't know. How did you part with it? You stole it.
See, the thing was, no one said they were going to buy me that TV. So
you went to the self checkout, and then put something like a potato under it, scanned the potato, and walked out with a TV. I think that's what it is.
Yeah. That was cheaper than half a day's worth of driving and fuel.
I bet it was. So we're going to go to some caves tomorrow. Where are we? Just south, like 3 hours south of Minneapolis, and we're heading to Kansas to MPK this weekend. I just checked up on the phone, and I just checked up on the containers. The first container, operated by this guy's buddy, right? Just come at last. Basically, after 2 containers we sent a month later are all coming first.
The last one's landed already.
Huh?
The last container's landed already.
No, no, it hasn't. No, it's so the top fuel container will be in Savannah, Georgia, in 7 or 8 days. I just checked it out. The first container we sent with company owned by Dipshits, right? Who we remain nameless at this point in time, but it's his buddy, so I wouldn't be surprised, right? They probably asked Kyle to pay an extra $50 to get it there quicker, and he wouldn't do it. That's what's happened. So it went to Singapore or something, delayed. Anyway, it's getting in, I think, on next Thursday, right? So the other guys with us.
Andy's segment, five screws in one packet.
Is this an advertising segment?
If it's as ad.
Non-sponsored.
So it's getting in LA on next Thursday. So the boys are here with us now. They're going to come to MPK and go and check out a cable or something with us. And we're going to go to MPK this weekend. They've got a really shitty little burnout pad thing there. It's not really a burnout pad. We're going to try and make something of it. We're going to talk to the guy at MPK face to face finally. His name's Brett. Seems like a good dude. He's interested in having us there. But we've got to have that connection. But that'll definitely help us with drainage. We'll be able to definitely do skids of drainage in about a month's time when we go to MPK up there. And by then all the cars will be back. But the boys are going to hightail it from here across to LA, get the cars. They won't have much time, 3 days to get there, and we've got to be back at 2nd of June, Sunday the 2nd.
To Weston's house.
Back to Weston's house, Sunday the 2nd of June. He's putting on a big gig, pretty much just for us, wouldn't you say, Kyle?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
We were inviting a couple of Americans, so we can invite them out and they can experience what Australian burnouts are like. So they're going to find out.
So he's doing a bit of earthworks. He's got a bunch of containers and all that sort of stuff. Has he graffitied the containers? We need to graffiti.
I think that's the plan, yeah.
Maybe we'll graffiti him when we get there, because we'll have like a whole week there. So we're probably going to hang out with him for a week, and you're going to probably hang out of his ass for a week and a half, something like that. Get on the excavator, get on the bobcat, whatever. Go do some mowing. He's got 50 acres. He keeps telling me 100 times.
Well, last time I took Duffy there.
Yeah.
Duffy mowed the grass. I did the earthworks.
Right. So the grass will need mowing again, right?
And then I blew his car up.
You did blow his car up. So anyway,
And then I broke my gearbox and borrowed his gearbox.
that's the update, right? You know what happened today? I sent an American an email with 2 questions. The guy answered both emails. Both questions on the one email. Would you read about it? That does not happen here. So anyway, that's all I got for tidbits today. See you tomorrow.